guys, welcome. So today we are trying to test this drink. I've had coconuts before, but I have never tasted a coconut drink. This is made in Dubai. I saw this at the grocery store, and then I thought I must just try it out on camera and tell you guys what I think. It has some fruit chunks on it. I'm using my earphones as a microphone because my sound from my phone is not doing well at the moment, so I thought I should just try using this and then we'll see if it works out or not. Right, let's test. That sounded like it's acidic, which it's not. It's just juice. Oh wow, it tastes nice. I was so scared.
You were?
It tastes so nice. Oh my gosh, I should have gotten more. It tastes very nice. It tastes like I don't know if you know those sweets, like a toffee kind of flavor, but we can still also taste the coconut. But yeah, it tastes it tastes like a sweet, like a toffee kind of sweet. I don't know if you get me, but yeah, it tastes like that. It tastes so good, and it tastes fruity as well. I feel like they've added something as well. I think it's pineapple. Probably that's the combination I'm getting. I'm getting the pineapple and the coconut, so they feel like toffee sweets kind of vibe. Toffolax. Do you know Toffolax, guys? We are old. This is so nice. Alright guys, don't forget to comment, like, and follow for more.